So this Diwali, do you also wish to boost the sales of your own Firecracker business? Then start sending them automated WhatsApp messages, something like this. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send automated WhatsApp messages for your own Firecracker business whenever you receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads. And definitely it is going to help you to convert your leads into paying clients. So grab your laptops and follow me through the screen and watch this video till the end. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's see how we're going to create this automation. But before we move on further and see how we're going to create this automation, let's see how this automation is going to run. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead gen form. So as you can see, they've entered all of these details and I'm going to click on this continue and then submit to fill in this lead form. Alright, the phone number was not correct, so I corrected it. Now let's click on this submit, and once I'm going to click on this submit, yes, you're going to see that we have successfully filled in this form. So now let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see within seconds and in real time we have received an automated WhatsApp message. It says, "Hi test lead, this Diwali light up your celebrations with our exclusive Firecracker discounts." So you're going to see it is sharing me the discounts, and also over here is the URL if I wish to purchase the product or view the another offers. So yes, we're going to learn how we can send instant WhatsApp messages to all our Facebook leads for our Firecracker business. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL, in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of your automation, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads. So let's search for it, select it. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, it is asking me to choose my account and click on this continue. So I have already logged in my Facebook account. That's the reason that it is directly asking me to choose my account and click on this continue. But if you haven't logged in a Facebook account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in inside your Facebook, and then only going to get this option to click on this continue. But once you get this option, simply click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I'll advise you log in all your applications before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure very easy. Now after connecting Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, we have to select the page name and the form for which we want to create this automation. So as you can see, they've selected the same. Now we have to turn on the simple response button because we want to capture the response in simpler format. Now we have to click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response. For that, we have to open our lead ads testing tool. Don't worry, I'm going to attach this URL in the description box below. You can directly tap on that URL and open your lead ads testing tool. Otherwise, if you wish, you can definitely open Meta for Developers landing page, go on this resources, developer tools, and then open your lead ads RTU debug tool. Now what I'm going to do is, after opening this testing tool, you have to select the page and the form and the product. So one by one, select the page, form and the product. So for the product, you have to select read retrieval. Otherwise, the page and the form will be same which you selected in your workflow. After doing this, you have to click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. So let's say I'm going to select the preferred type of the crackers as flower pots. For the name, I'm going to keep it as smart this time. For the last name, I'm going to keep it as lead only. For the email, I'm going to keep it as smart@pabblytudes.com. Now let's let's move on further. For the phone number, I'm going to keep the phone number as this. And after entering all of these details, let's click on this continue and then submit. And once we click on this submit, we have successfully submitted this lead. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. We just have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing the webhook response. And you can see that 13 seconds ago, Pabbly has successfully captured this response. Alright, so now let's send them an automated WhatsApp message. So for that, I'm going to close this trigger, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. You can use any another application tool like Pabbly Chat Flow. You can use AI Sensi, Vati. Pabbly supports most of them. Now you have to select the application. For the event, you have to select send template message new and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking me for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you must be wondering from where you're going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, simply click on this learn more hyperlink given right over here. And once you click on this learn more, a documentation something like this will open. Over you're going to see the video on how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So you can watch this video and by the end of this video you will know step by step how to complete the WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Not only this, if you wish to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API token, we have attached the video for the same over here too. The rest you're going to see over here are all the instructions using which you can create your WhatsApp Cloud API setup. You can see that I've already created my setup. So let's copy this access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID and let's paste it right over here one by one. And after entering all of these details, we have to click on this save and our WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the receiver's mobile number, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So you have to keep in mind that you have to map this number. Now the next is this template ID. So what is this template ID? For that you have to open your WhatsApp Cloud API setup and you're going to get the create your own template hyperlink. So click on this link and the WhatsApp manager will open. So over here you can create templates using which you can send automated WhatsApp messages. To create the template, go towards this create template button and create your own. I have already created my template and I'm going to use this template only in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. Alright, so let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to select the same template name which is Diwali discount promo. And as you can see, I've selected right over here. For the language code it is English, so I'm going to enter EN. Now it is saying selected template name. So if you have not got the same which is template ID, simply click on this refresh fields button and it is going to update. The next is this template has a header. So as you can see that my template doesn't have any header. I'm going to open this template and going to see it doesn't have any header. Alright, so I'm going to keep it as no. Now it is saying header type, so it is saying enable the mapping button and leave this field as blank if the template doesn't have any header. Alright, so follow the same. Now let's scroll and directly we're going to go towards this template has a body. So all of these are not required. So if you add a media link, like if you add some images or like videos, you can definitely fill in all of these details, but this is not required because I haven't. So the next is this template has a body. So as you can see, yes, my template has a body. So let's select it as yes over here. Now it is saying variable one example demo test. So what is this variable one? I'm going to show you. For that I'm going to go towards this edit template and first I'm going to show you my template. So as you can see that this is my template and you can notice I have one in curly brackets. So what is this one? So I want to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message so that each of my lead receives a personalized WhatsApp message. So what I have done is I have added a variable 1 over here and now I'm going to map this value of 1 right over here in my workflow, which is the name of my lead. So let's map the first name, put a space and then the last name. It is saying template has a button, so no it doesn't, so I'm going to keep it as no and the rest of the details. Now let's click on this save and send test request. But before clicking on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. And after replacing this, let's move on further and click on on the save and send test request. And once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the response right over here that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message. So let's open our WhatsApp and we just have to wait for a few seconds till we're going to receive this WhatsApp message. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see within seconds and in real time we have received an automated WhatsApp message. Only the name has been changed, the rest of the details are exactly the same which was in the previous message. So with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, an automated WhatsApp message, something like this will be sent towards my lead, which is for my Firecracker business, and using this I can boost my Firecracker business for this Diwali. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own Firecracker business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create it for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this amazing automation. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.